Hello and welcome to the episode. Today I performed the oil and filter change on my wife's BMW G310 GS. It's a 2022 model and has covered 3,000 miles and is 1 year old. Here are the parts you'll need: 10 watt 40 oil filter wrench or claw, motor scan tool to reset the service light as you cannot do it manually, an oil filter, a torque wrench, a 12mm socket, a 8mm hex, a cloth and a suitable drain bowl. First thing you want to do is allow the engine to idle for 10 minutes. You can also go for a 10-minute ride if you wish. While it's running, remove the engine under tray. Switch off the engine and allow to cool for 1 minute. Here is the lower drain bolt. Place a suitable drain bowl underneath. Unscrew the bolt with the 8mm hex. Be careful, the oil will be hot and it will shoot out sideways, so you will have to place the bolt slightly to the left. Don't drop the bolt in the tray like I did. Remove the oil filter cap. Allow to drain for 10 minutes. Now remove the oil filter. Turn the claw anti-clockwise to grip the filter. You don't have to do this, but you can fill the new filter up with fresh engine oil. Install the oil filter and tighten it with your hand. You can use a cloth to get extra grip. Do not use the tool to install this filter. Fill the engine with about 1 litre of oil. Make sure it's slightly above the minimum mark. Start the engine for 30 seconds. Turn off, allow to stand for 30 seconds. Add the rest of the engine oil. Make sure the motorcycle is on level surface so it reaches the maximum mark. I put 1.7 litres of engine oil in this motorcycle. Start the engine and check for oil leaks. install the sump guard. Now it's time to reset the service light. Remove the seat, find the OBD socket, grab the motor scan tool, plug in the motor scan tool, download the app and follow these steps. Well, that's the end of the video. I really appreciate you watching. I also do CAF runs, vlogs and other tips and advice. Please subscribe for more. Until then, I've been Nick and I'll catch you on the next episode. Ride safe.